Dear students of class 10, in the previous video we have discussed the questions of exercise 7.2 of the chapter Coordinate Geometry. In this video we shall continue to solve some questions of the exercise 7.3. So let us begin. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by the point that is -1 and 6. Let us understand the question by a simple figure, as you can see on the screen. Here we can see a line segment AB whose endpoints are A, whose coordinates are -3, 10 and B whose coordinates are 6, -8. Let us assume that P is a point somewhere between A and B whose coordinates are -1 and 6. Point P divides AB in the ratio k is to 1 and we have to find the value of k. Using section formula we can find the value of k, as you can see on the screen. By using the formula for -1 we can write m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and that will be equal to -1, which is the value of abscissa for the point P, and finally we get the value of k as 2/7. So we can say that the point P divides AB in the ratio 2:7. Let us move to the question number 6. If 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. Let us consider a parallelogram ABCD in which the coordinates of A is 1 and 2, B is 4 and y, C is x and 6 and the coordinates of D is 3 and 5. As we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, so we can say that the coordinates of the midpoints of AC, the diagonal AC, is same as the coordinates of the midpoints of the diagonal BD. As you can see on the screen, when we equalize these 2 points by using midpoint formula and on comparing these two facts, we can get the value of x as 6 and y as 3. Now dear student, let us move to the question number 8. If A and B are -2, -2 and 2 and -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3/7 of AB and P lies on the segment AB. So let us try to solve this. Dear students, it is given that P lies on AB such that AP equal to 3/7 of AB. Then it is obvious that PB will be the 4/7 of AB. This implies AP is to PB is 3:4, or we can say that P divides AB in the ratio 3:4. So we have got the value of M1 as 3 and M2 as 4. Now dear students, it's time to use the section formula, that is m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So we can find the coordinates of point P by using this formula, and as you can see on the screen, on putting the respective values we can get the coordinates of P that the question is asking for. We get the value of P as -2/7 and -20/7. That's the coordinates of point P. Now the last question of this exercise, that is find the area of rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4 and -2, -1 taken in order. Let us consider a rhombus ABCD and the coordinates of its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4 and -2, -1 taken in order. Dear students, we know that the area of rhombus can be calculated by using the formula the half of the product of its diagonals, that is half of AC into BD. So let us find the length of AC and BD first by using the distance formula, and as you can see on the screen, the length of AC becomes 4√2, and by using the distance formula we can find the length of diagonal BD, which becomes 6√2. So the area of rhombus ABCD can be calculated as half into the product of length of diagonals, that is half into AC into BD. So we can write half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2, and finally we get the result as the area as 24 square units.